Suspended in air, each fresh chicken egg reveals its own signature shell, some smooth and ivory, others freckled and warm. The matte surface is a porous.
Oh, what's that?
At rest, a healthy liver is smooth, richly perfused, and glowing with a deep orange-brown tone. As stress builds through fatty deposits, toxins, or alcohol,
Within the artery, cholesterol-carrying particles slip from the current and latch onto the delicate lining. At first, they're tiny and solitary, but over time they fuse into sticky clumps.
Inside the gallbladder, cholesterol crystals slowly join together, a process that gives rise to gallstones. Here, the bile is shown partially transparent, allowing us to.
Each kidney filters liters of blood every hour, maintaining the body's balance. Blood enters a tuft of capillaries called a glomerulus, where pressure pushes water and small molecules through a fine, porous membrane.